Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this origami flicker I made. It's a Spinneroo, and it's a really good flicker. Check this out. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, didn't do good on that one. There you go, that was better. Okay, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this flicker, I'm going to use a 6" square of kami. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. And now fold in half like this too. Man, it sure is thundering outside right now. Yeah, we're having a thunderstorm right now. Unfold and fold this corner to the top. Unfold and fold this corner to the intersection. And you could fold it directly to the crease, but I think it'll be better if we leave about a millimeter space. So I'm not folding it directly to there, I'm just leaving about a millimeter space. So yeah, just about like that. Rotate like this, and fold this edge to the crease. And you could fold it directly, but I'm going to leave a millimeter space. And you'll see why in a second. Okay, unfold this flap, fold this over like this, and it's best to rotate it like this and fold it up, and you want to fold it tightly over the edge. Alright. So when we do that, we make a new fold right above that crease. Alright. That's why we left a little bit of space, so that way the creases align better. Turn over and fold this up also, and make sure it goes tightly over the edge. Alright, and now keep it like this, so this flap is up like this, and fold this edge to the crease. Rotate like this, and fold this edge to this point right here. So pretend like there's a crease right here that you're folding it to. Or yeah, fold this edge to this edge. Alright, rotate like this, and fold this edge. Fold this edge to this edge. Alright, and now unfold that, and take this corner, and fold it to this corner. Alright, now unfold this whole side, rotate like this, and fold this edge to the crease. So remember, here's the flap, orient it like this. Alright, and fold this edge to this edge. Alright, and now take this corner and fold it to here, or fold this edge to this edge. Alright, unfold and take this corner and fold it to here. Okay, now unfold like this. Now refold this flap, so orient it like this, and fold this like this, and fold right here too. So we're folding just 2 times like that. Alright, take this flap, fold it over, and fold it like this too. Okay, so we have a hat looking thing like this. Now fold this flap up like this, fold this flap in, and take this flap and insert it into the pocket. Like that. And this side, same thing. Make sure you can kind of just move it a little bit if you need to, so it's not in the way. Fold this up like this. You can make that point sharp right there. And take the flap, fold it like that, and tuck it into the pocket. Alright, and now just flatten everything. once you did that, there's your flicker done. And it's also a Spinneroo too, so find the two sharp most points and hold them like this, and you can blow right here and it'll spin. See? Just like that. And of course it's a really nice flicker. So you can just give it a little bit of curvature. It might fly a little bit better if you use 10-inch paper, because it'll make it a little bit bigger. Okay, I'll show you how to fly this. Okay, so to fly this, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm gonna hold it right here and flick on the top. So here we go. I think 10-inch paper would probably fly better because it's bigger. Because this is pretty small. But it flies okay at a 6-inch too. Oh, that was really good. It's starting to get a little wet because it just rained earlier, so my model might get wet from landing in the wet grass. But it's okay. Oh yeah. Okay, one more time. That's an excellent flicker. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and enjoy flying it. Make sure you make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.